You've been dressing up the truth, I've been dressing up for you. Then you